Let's take a look at some more vocabulary now related to legal, media, or news topics, using a sample from the Latvian Constitution. We're going to be taking a look at a heading and two lines which you see here on your screen. Taking it line by line, first we have the heading. So the way that this would be read is Pirmā nodaļa – vispārējie noteikumi. Pirmā nodaļa – vispārējie noteikumi. That translates to Chapter 1, General Provisions. Pirmā nodaļa means Chapter 1, or more literally, first chapter. Vispārējie is general, or the general, and noteikumi is provisions. And then we have Latvija ir neatkarīga demokrātiska republika. Latvija ir neatkarīga demokrātiska republika. And that means Latvia is an independent democratic republic. Latvia is, of course, Latvia. Ir is. Neatkarīga is independent. Demokrātiska is democratic. And republika is republic. Turning now to the next line. Latvijas valsts suverēnā vara pieder Latvijas tautai. Latvijas valsts suverēnā vara pieder Latvijas tautai. And that translates to the sovereign power of the Latvian state belongs to the Latvian people. So Latvijas would be Latvia's, valsts, state, suverēnā, the sovereign, vara, power, pieder, belongs to, Latvijas tautai, the Latvian people. Another word for people would be cilvēki, but in this case, tauta has more a connotation of being a nation. So pulling that all together, again, pirmā nodaļa, vispārējie noteikumi, Latvija ir neatkarīga demokrātiska republika, Latvijas valsts suverēnā vara pieder Latvijas tautai, and you see the translation here, Chapter 1, General Provisions, Latvia is an independent democratic republic and the sovereign power of the Latvian state belongs to the Latvian people. That's all for now. Keep an eye on this channel for more translation samples.